Introducing the Real Complexion Cream. This is an 8-in-1 anti-aging face cream that replaces your entire routine and transforms your skin in just one swipe, no exceptions. So step 1, you just apply it to clean, dry skin. That's it. Step 2, you just gently push the pump and get a pea-size amount and then apply it to your face. And in just one application, you'll be able to see that it instantly whitens and brightens the look of the skin. This is not a filter, this is no editing, this is just one swipe and my skin is already whiter, brighter, more even. It's visibly reduced the redness and visibly reduced the pigmentation on my skin. So apply a little more as you need to and pat and gently massage in the remaining product to any areas that you've missed. Full face, under your eyes, jawline. I love putting a little extra underneath my eye area because it just brightens the look of that area. Dark lines, circles, it really helps to whiten and brighten the look. And that one swipe isn't just whitening and brightening, this is a genuine 8-in-1 product. Here's everything it's doing for your skin all at once. So the Real Complexion Cream, it hydrates, it whitens and brightens, it minimizes the look of pores, reduces redness, smooths fine lines, evens the skin tone, protects the skin, and also repairs overnight. You've just seen what the Real Complexion 8-in-1 Anti-Aging Cream does. Here is why it works. 8 real actives, each one earning its place. Firstly, hyaluronic acid holds up to 1,000 times in its weight in water for instant plumpness and a smoother looking appearance. Tranexamic acid, the brightening active dermatologists reach for on stubborn pigmentation and uneven tone. Niacinamide, it's a vitamin B3. This fades the look of age spots and visibly lightens hyperpigmentation. Phthalates from daisy flowers targets the appearance of age spots and discoloration. It's also got aquaphylline in it. Now this locks in hydration and boosts your skin's water retention. It's also got pomegranate sterol, provides intense moisture and barrier protection to your skin. Also enriched with iris root extract. Now this supports natural radiance and skin tone. Also honey extract, it soothes the skin and helps seal in moisture. It's got 8 actives, 1 jar, 0 fillers, 0 mess. One swipe gets you the instant result, but these actives get better the longer you use them. This isn't just a once-off fix, it's a habit. Use it morning and night and reap extraordinary results with the Real Complexion 8-in-1 Anti-Aging Cream.